Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to use star code in Roblox mobile. Let's get started. The star codes allow you to go and support your favorite creator. If your creator has a code, then you can go and use it when making a purchase and the creator will go and be rewarded. Now in the Roblox app, go to the top right and tap on Roblox icon. At the top, you'll see the Robux balance. You'll see here different offers you can purchase for Robux. Now, simply go to the bottom part and then you'll see here the star code option and simply tap it. Now you can type in the creator that you want. For example, we'll have this creator. Next, tap add button on the side. Now it says here that you're supporting that creator. Tap on the question mark and you'll see here that they will earn a certain percent of your purchase and you will keep the Robux you paid for. That's basically how you do it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much.